Alright guys, how we doing? On Saturday I have my first competition since the Olympic Games last summer. Thankfully it's pretty low-key return to competition because it's just our North East regionals. We still trained quite normally throughout the week, so we did our normal gym and weight sessions, whereas before a bigger event that'll probably change around a little bit. And then in the pool we still worked on our entries. Our starts. Towards the end of the week we'll start working on more full list training to actually get ready for the event. So we've got a bit of a team round going on, me and Ben versus James and Jack, in preparation for tomorrow. We're doing a dive each in rounds, and whichever team wins each round gets a point. And at the moment it's 3-1 to me and Ben, so 2 more dives to go. So the round ended as a draw. We've got a sudden death dive each to take the win. Yeah, I'd quite like to do well because it's a 1 metre springboard event. I'd like to do well in 1 metre because at the World Championships I'd like to try and push to make the final. At the last 2 World Championships I think I finished 23rd and 17th. So I'm not a million miles away from the final because it's top 12 that goes through, but you know, it's a bit of a barrier to still overcome to actually put together a good quality difficult list to actually make it into that final. So this is my first 1 metre event since the World Championships way back in 2015, because after that I kind of just concentrated on 3 metre because that was the Olympic event. So this season, as hard as I tried for 3 metre last year, I'm going to be trying for 1 metre, so I can hopefully do well. I'm going to do a second video to show you kind of hopefully what I get up to during an event, and also show you the results of the actual competition itself, because I don't know how it's going to go. You guys don't know how it's going to go, so we'll have to wait until Saturday to find that out. Stay tuned.